It's the only problem when you're recording from home. You've got all sorts of background noise, but you can see that it's genuine and it's not AR that's doing this. I don't know if it's clever enough to add those kind of things in. Maybe it is, who knows. Just blending a bit there with my finger. Don't worry, it washes off. Just don't try and paint your nails with it, it don't work. Just remember to keep your strokes in the same direction the fur is going, and also remember that this cat is not fluffy. It's quite a smooth haired cat, so keep that in mind as well. Now we're adding some more darks. And on we go with the details. Not much I can say right now, but it's starting to come together. I'm using a small round brush. I think it's a number 14. Number 14 round brush and a number 4 round brush for the finer lines. You'll notice I'm working on one side only. It's not really the best way to do it. Most artists recommend that you do both sides together to get a more even painting, but this is just the way I do it. Sometimes I'll do that, sometimes I don't. It just depends on how I'm feeling on the day. And once again, it's all about enjoying it and relaxing and forgetting about all your hassles and your worries and what's going on with who and how and where. You just paint for the love of it and just relax and enjoy it. It can be a very great stress reliever, and it's helped me out many times. You can see now the lightness of the cheek on the right hand side. Once you put your darks in, where the light is falling on it, you can see now clearly. So we can redefine the mouth and the features around the mouth area. Starting to add the marks where the whiskers go. Little black dots, circles. I don't know what they're called, but I just know the whiskers come out there. We leave the whiskers until last because they are the finest and thinnest, and they need to overlay everything else. So once we've finished all the detail and the background, we'll add the final touch of the whiskers and the other hairy bits that stick out. And there we see both sides of the face completed. Just need a few touch-ups.